So making decisions is hard, right, for individuals and for organizations. Making decisions and bringing people together to make hard decisions is a challenge. But what's even more of a challenge in some organizations is communicating those decisions. And communication in general is hard when we talk about organizational change management, aligning people around the organizational decisions that we've made is a really big challenge. And part of the reason it's a really big challenge is because communication is hard. And any sort of decision making, whether it's what we're doing with our transformation, whether it's the direction that we're going with our product, whether it's how are we going to solve some problem around dependency management or fixing a defect, any sort of decision like that needs to be communicated. And often there's a lot of churn because people don't realize that a decision has been made, or we revisit a decision, or it wasn't properly communicated and people go off with only half of the information. So it's really important that we're communicating effectively and broadly what our decisions are. And there's different ways of communicating decisions at different levels, and depending on whether it's big organizational decisions or whether it's product level or team level sorts of things. But the things that are available to us to help with that decision making are built into the framework, and they're built into the tools that we use to support the framework. So all of our collaboration events and ceremonies are opportunities to broadly distribute decisions, right? In PI planning, we start out with our executive presentations. A lot of what those executive presentations are providing is, hey, here's the direction that we're going into, and here's the decisions that we've made bringing us into the next planning period, right? What's on our roadmap? What are we investing in? What architectural decisions have we made? What challenges have we addressed and overcome in our retrospectives or in our inspect and adapt events, right? We're reporting those out, and we're reporting them out broadly. As we go through our planning events, whether it's PI planning or our iteration planning, we're also making a lot of decisions, right? That's what bringing everybody together is about: rapid decision making, lots of points of view on potential solutions. But then how do we let everybody else on the train know about that? So ensuring that we're using the tools that are available to us, like our draft plan reviews, like our big information radiators that are in things like piplanning.io, and other tools and collaboration platforms that you have, to make sure that we're really sharing that information, because an organization can't go fast if we're continually addressing the same problems and we're coming back and answering the same questions, or if we have multiple teams who each think that they've come up with a solution and haven't collaborated or shared that information. So that core value around transparency and the principles around making information visible, right? We need to make sure that we're making our decisions and our dependency management and the risks and how we've roamed those risks. All those things are opportunities to share, make visible, and ensure that we're sharing information across the organization.